Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In this set of recordings, we'll learn all about chamfer recognition. What exactly is chamfer recognition? Well, chamfer recognition is a one-tool operation where it will automatically recognize every single sharp edge on a part, no matter what level it's on, and remove the sharp edge from the part itself, putting a small little chamfer. It also knows to avoid walls, and it also has tools such as filtering out small circles. It'll work on every level and give you the perfect size chamfer that you need when you want to take off all the sharp edges. So let's get started and take a look exactly how chamfer recognition works. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website www.solidcam.com and look for the tab called SolidCAM Professor. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.